Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by immediately equipping the loadout that lets you survive hits and dish out steady damage. This matters because raw endurance determines how long you control the fight. Once done, move to a safe 30-50 block distance and visually confirm the core glows that show current phase. Make sure to clear an escape route and place quick heal consumables where you can reach them. That reduces downtime and keeps you in the fight as phases shift. You now focus fire on the active glowing core to force the phase transition. This works because sinking enough damage into the control node triggers the next state. As you do, kite and separate minions so they do not feed the core or interrupt your burst windows. Once done with a damage cycle, break line of sight briefly to avoid charged attacks and reposition for the next burst. This pacing keeps you from being overwhelmed while ensuring core damage accumulates steadily. You finish by timing a final coordinated burst against the remaining core while stacking healing and temporary defenses. This timing is crucial because the last damage window is often shortest. Once the phase change completes, clear remaining hazards and collect the drops methodically, then secure the arena so no respawn mechanics re-trigger the storm. If the phase stalls or the boss becomes invulnerable, retreat to reapply buffs, reorganize priorities, and re-enter on a fresh cycle to avoid wasting resources.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.